Good morning, students. Now I am going to continue exercise 14.4. Okay, question number 2. Now you can see it is given in a mathematics test. To the 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. These are the marks you can see here. We have to find all mean, median and mode. So let's find out mean first. For the formula of mean, we will write here bar x is equal to summation of xi upon n. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, thank you, sir. Now let's write down all the observations. It is 41 plus 39 plus 48 plus 52 plus 46 plus 62 plus 54 plus 40 plus 96 plus 52 plus 98 plus 40 plus 42 plus 52 plus 60. Now suppose it is what the method of writing. When the space is over here, you can start from here. Don't start from here. Okay, it is the way to write. Now then, the number of observations you write here, it is something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now add them and addition will give you, okay, you have to add independently, do not have to look out the solution, okay, and addition will give us what? 822. You can see 10, 18, 20, 26, 28, 32, 38, 40, 48, 50 and 52. So here 2 and carry on 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 16, 21, 25, 31, 36, 40, 49, 54, 63, 67, 71, 76 and plus 6, 82. So it is 82 by 15. Clear? So by this way, if we divide it, okay, 82 divide by what? 822, sorry, 822 divided by 15, it will give you what? 54.8. So this is what? The value of mean. Clear? So by this way, now we got the mean. Now we have to search for median. So remember the instruction here. For median, we have to arrange the data in proper ascending order. So right here, arranging the data in proper ascending order. Again, what we'll get here, we'll start from 39, 40, 40 is 2 times, then we have 41, 42, 46, 48, 52 has been given 3 times, 52, 52, then 54, 60, 62, 96 and 98. Let's confirm ourselves whether all the 15 data has been written here or not. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the value of n is equal to what? 15. It is odd, right? So for even I have done for you. Now for odd also we got the formula. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Now that is 15 plus 1 upon 2th observation. 15 plus 1 is what? 16 by 2th observation. It is 8th observation. Okay, 8th observation means what? 2 8 jar 16. So 8th observation will count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is what? 52. So our median will be 52. Clear? Now the last term is what? Mode. How to find mode now? For mode, which is represented by Z, okay, the number of repeated frequency, can you see here? It is 52, has been repeated most times comparing to other numbers. No doubt 40 and 40 is also there, but 52 is given for 3 times. So we will write here mode is equal to 52. So that is what all about question number 2. You can see here. Okay, you have to follow the same procedure when you are solving the numerical. Now I will solve one more question for you. That will be question number 3. Okay, question number 3, exercise 14.4. See what is given here. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. Already it is arranged in ascending order, and the median of data is given 63. Okay, median is given. You have to find the value of x. So we do not have to bother about it. We are going to write data first. Okay, write down solution, the given observation in ascending order. Okay, the given observation is what? 29, 32, 48, 50. It is x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. Okay, this is what the given observation. And one more thing is given. See, if the missing term is here, it means that 2 observations are missing, and then you should be given the value of median. Obviously it will be given, and the value of median is given as 63. Now we do not have to bother about the terms. They are arranged already in ascending order, so we just have to count and we have to confirm that whether they are even or odd. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, am I right? It is 10 something, right? So which formula we are going to use now? We will use now, since n is equal to 10, it is what? Even. So I will write here m is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divide by 2. Okay, now it is 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So it is 5th observation plus, can you see here, 2 5 is 10, 5 plus 1 6th observation divide by 2. So median is what? Median is already given to us, it is something 63. So we'll write here now the value of median. Now cross multiplication will lead you to 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 126. What is the 5th observation? Can you see here from 1 2 3 4 5. X is the 5th observation. And what is the 6th observation? It is once again 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is x plus 2. So x plus 2. I already multiplied 2 with 63. Now it is 126 minus 2 is equal to 2x. 124 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 124 upon 2. That will be 62. Okay. So the missing frequency or the observation, what we have to find out, its value is 62. Clear? You can see here. And this is what the method of doing the calculation when the missing frequency is given. Okay. See, one more question is there. Question number 4. Find the mode. Find the mode 14, 25, 14, 28, 18, 17, 18, 14, 23, 22, second one, 14, 18. Now what you can see from the given observation, okay, if we'll arrange in ascending order, okay, question number 4, arranging AC चालू करवा दो, arranging the data in ascending order, we will get, it's question number 4, we have to find mode. Okay, what to find here? Mode. So we can write here 14, 14, 14, 14, 17, 18, 18, 18, 22, 23, 25, 28. So clearly it can be seen that the repeated observation is 14. So we can write, since the highest repeated observation is, that is for maximum time, is 14. You can see here 14. No doubt 18 is also there, but in terms of numbering 14 is more comparing to 18. But one thing I would like to tell you from my side, suppose in case if there are only 3 14s and 3 18s, so we should have to consider 18 as mode, but here the number of counting of 14 is more comparing to 18, so our mode will be what? It is equal to 14. Okay, remember my words, it will help you for the some other examples. So by this way we just completed question number 4 and nothing we have to do. Now for question number 5, I will give the hints and I will send you a solution in my WhatsApp group. Okay, salary is given and number of workers have been given. We have to make one more column here, and for that you can refer example number page number 265. You can see here it is given. We have to find what? FIXI. You try to solve it from your own, otherwise no doubt I will send you FIXI and then total of observation along with the frequency and frequency. We have to divide it and we'll get the final answer, that is the mean. Clear? So don't panic about it. I'm going to send you after solving this. Okay, and whatever questions I solved today, just write in your notebook and send to the group. Amit sir will check it. Okay.